Hi everybody, Robert back here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at our light fixtures and start on our electrical portion of this project. So here I placed some light fixtures here in our ceiling grid that we did on our last exercise. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me make these videos and pick up from where we began. We've done the architecture and the structure and everything. So now we're actually in our architectural model and we're going to place our light fixtures. So here I've got several fixtures placed. They're basically 2x4 square trophers. I'm going to copy this one here. Let's say this is the doorway. I think maybe we need one or two there. Maybe one in this area will be fine. And then here we've got 2x4s in the break room, and this office is here, and these are offices. Now, for the general office area, and by the way, we need to look at our electrical system before we really be working on our electrical. So basically what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you, we want to go into our Manage tab here. You can go into our electrical settings, which is I normally don't do it this way. Check out MIP, settings, structural. You'll find them here. And here you'll find things like, now, this is one way to do it. I like to find it this way. It's a little, to me, it's simpler. You go to systems, and there's a little arrow here. You can do the plumbing that way and the mechanical. Right now we're working in the electrical. I'm going to select this guy, and there are all our electrical settings. These have to be set up prior to working on an electrical project. So here we have things like voltage definitions here. You have your distribution system, whether we 120 or 240 or 480. I don't know what we're going to use in this project, but it's probably going to be something heavy because of the type of building we're using. And then we have down here our load calculations. So those are basically your electrical settings, and that's where you will find them. So I'm going to cancel out that right now. And now here, I want to add a few fixtures, and this is our architectural. Again, in our project browser, we're in our ceiling architectural. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to place some more fixtures here. So if I go here to where it says light fixture, and then I go into my properties browser, and then we're going to go at a 2x4 out here in this area. So I'm going to place a 2x4, and again, remember what we did to the ceiling, that we rotated them 45 degrees. So I'm going to select this guy here, and I'm just going to rotate it 45 degrees. Actually, we want to rotate that way. Yeah, let's go this direction, because it don't really matter. I guess it could matter. It just depends on the design and the aesthetics, how you want this to look. So we probably want to get one all the way in here, and we'll work from there. And I want to align this just to make sure we get it in here properly. Align that to that. Okay, so we get a fixture over there in that space, and we can just copy these guys. I'm going to copy this one. Say get one here, one here, I think I got that one over a little too far. Yeah, I did. I'm going with street. I should go another space here. So this design just depends on how you want to do this. Just to fix that. So again, please subscribe to the channel. Helps me make these videos. And pick up where we started off in the beginning, in the first video. I'm going to move this one here. Let's go right to there. Okay. That looks a little funky there. Let's see, 1, 2, what happened? I think we went into that family, and I don't want to go into that family. What happened there? Oh, no, we didn't. Okay, sorry about that, folks. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna work with that. Actually, let's move this one out just a tad bit here. Move this one up 1 space. And make sure he's aligned up. Okay, so that's, and move this back 1 space. Now, I'm not going to spend time doing this. I kind of like this space now, so I'm going to take this one and copy this one over here. We probably should did the squares in here, but I just wanted to do a little something different here. This has got to be nice and bright because this is our general office area where everybody's going to be. So I'm going to copy this one here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in here, let's do these bathrooms now. Copy this one here. Yeah, it looks a little funky in there, but that's okay. But hey guys, thanks for watching the videos. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe. Getting up to 5,000 subscribers, and that's great. So we do something like that in that area. Now here, we've got the break room and these bathrooms. We got just some wallboards. So here I'm gonna go back into my systems tab. We'll go back to my light fixtures here, and what we got in here? We've got some 8-inch incandescents. So let's grab these guys, and we want to place on the work plane here. Oh, sorry, that's not working there for me. So let me see if I can place on the face. There we go. Put one there. One there. I think I want to get them like right over the water closets or where you're going to do your business. Okay. And here. And here. And here. Here. And here. Now for the utility room, we just probably need 2 in here. It's like so. No special. And then here we've got another room here. This is an office space, so we want to get our 2x4s in here. 2x2s, I guess, yeah, in here. So we've got our, this is a small office. So maybe we'll get 2 here. Just go 2 there. 1 there. So now I want to go and show you what's going to happen here now. Align that to that. Align that to that. Okay, so now this is our architectural plan. Now if I go into my project browser here, in this template, hopefully this will work. We'll go all the way down and look at our electrical ceiling plan. If I double click that, there's our electrical ceiling. So this is the drawing we're going to do for our ceiling on the electricals. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and help me make these videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe. Bye.